Imagine you want something huge, a better job, a healthier body, or your dream home. Every morning, you wake up and ask the universe, just like every self-help book tells you, but by the end of the day, you feel like your wish isn't coming true. Does this happen to you? You think about your goal, but after 10 minutes, doubt and fear creep into your mind. You try to create a positive vibration, but old worries and past concerns distract you. You can't fully focus on the law of attraction, the one thing that could change your life. Your brain is completely exhausted, but your desire remains unfulfilled. This problem isn't just about asking, it's about a broken attraction system. If you find this book summary useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support inspires me to create even better videos. If you want to gain a superpower in this world of distraction and doubt, a superpower that makes you 10 times happier and more successful than others, then this summary is just for you. Because in today's world, mere wishing is the greatest failure, and aligned action is the key that will pull you out of this trap. Today, we are going to look at a book summary that will eliminate this problem from its root. The Secret, written by Rhonda Byrne. Byrne says that our thoughts create our reality, but we fail to apply this correctly. In this summary, we will deeply understand the 4 practical rules of the law of attraction that will change your way of thinking, your vibration, and your life forever. First, let's understand the math of the law of attraction. Newport has given a simple formula. Successful manifestation is equal to intensity of clarity x power of belief x inspired action. This formula tells us that if your clarity is 0, because you are choosing a new goal every minute, or your belief is 0, because you are doubting, then no matter if you spend 10 hours working on it, your output value will remain 0. This means your time doesn't matter, the quality of your vibration matters. The secret's goal is to increase this intensity tenfold so you can attract 10 times more quality things in less time. Let's begin with the first rule, which is the foundation of the law of attraction. Rule 1. Ask, the art of absolute clarity and choosing your vision. First and foremost, ask is the action you take without any doubt. It makes your desires crystal clear for the universe and creates a value that time or doubt cannot copy. Byrne says that in today's economy, 2 core skills will make you successful. Seeing your goal so clearly that there is no other picture in your mind. For example, not just rich, but clearly seeing 10 lakh rupees in the bank by the end of this year. The one who sees clearly attracts quickly. The ability to deliver a high vibration emotion, like gratitude, in record time. This means not just asking, but creating an emotion that is far superior to your competitors and delivering it as quickly as possible. Both these skills cannot be achieved without absolute clarity. Why is the secret necessary? The author tells us that the law of attraction is not just a way to fulfill a wish, it's a way of living. When you practice deep attraction, your mind enters a flow state. The flow state is the condition where a positive emotion becomes enjoyable for you. In this state, your brain's prefrontal cortex, responsible for thinking and planning, becomes fully active, and your worries and distractions fade away. This is why the law of attraction doesn't just fulfill wishes, it also increases satisfaction in life. If you find this book summary beneficial, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Your encouragement is the biggest power for me. Now, to make the secret your habit, you must choose a clarity technique. The writer describes 4 different ways, and you have to decide which category you fit into. Vision board method. This is the style of pictures and signs. You remove all doubt from your life. In this, you look at and feel your board for a long time, without a break. This is for those who are creative and visual. Scripting method. This method shares words and emotions. Every day for 15 minutes, you write in detail about your future as if it has already happened. This is for those who express thoughts better through words. Rhythmic meditation method. This is best for 90% of people. You book a fixed slot every day at the same time to feel the vibration, example, 5 o'clock to 5:30 a.m. every morning. This method trains your brain to prepare itself for a higher vibration at that time. This is the most sustainable method. Single word focus method. This is the most difficult. In this, you repeat a positive affirmation or a single word at any time you need. This should only be done by experienced individuals, as it demands too much mental energy.
Your action. Book a 30-minute clarity and feeling slot every day in your calendar. Do not break it for any other work. This is your sacred time. Create a small ritual before starting, like feeling gratitude for 5 minutes. This ritual tells your brain that the time for manifestation has begun. Now, let's move to the second rule, which will truly strengthen your belief muscle. This rule sounds strange, but it is the most powerful. Rule 2. Believe, embrace doubt and train your vibration. You might believe your vibration is low when you are doing affirmations, but Byrne says it's lowest when you are in your free time. The moment you take a break from work, stand in line, or wait for a bus, you immediately welcome old worries and negative thoughts. Your mind is constantly repeating this habit of low vibration. This is called unconscious resistance. When you give your mind a small kick of doubt in every free moment, you teach it to run away as soon as it feels bored. When you sit down to manifest, your mind demands what you've taught it in your free time, small kicks of worries and fears. As a result, you can't focus for even 15 minutes. Solution and practice. You have to retrain your brain. You must deliberately say no to doubt even in your free time. The art of productive gratitude. This is not a spiritual meditation, but a mental exercise of higher vibration. When you are walking, working out, or washing dishes, instead of letting your mind go blank, feel gratitude for one thing. For example, think about the success of your last 5 videos, or think of a way to solve your channel's biggest problem, like subscriber growth. Thinking about positive things while on the move teaches your mind that vibration is not just for affirmation, it stays with you every moment. Accept doubt, don't block it. It's hard to avoid doubt by using willpower. Byrne says, conserve your willpower. Instead of avoiding doubt, accept it. Instead of doubting every hour, decide that you will only accept doubt at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. or just twice, and replace it with gratitude. Apart from these times, your mind will be calm because it knows its checking time is coming. Stop negativity wandering. Only use old negative thoughts when you have already scheduled them. When you are working, if you have to think negatively, make a note of it for your reflection slot after your deep attraction session. This way, your manifestation slot will not be broken. Rule 3. Receive, inspired action and closing the action gap. This rule is about eliminating the biggest attraction killer in your life. We use the law of attraction because we are getting some big benefit from it, but we don't take inspired action. Cal Newport calls this the craftsman approach to tool selection. A craftsman only uses a tool when it is the best for their job. You also have to look at the opportunities in your life in the same way. Only use any opportunity or work if it fulfills one of your 3 big goals. Helping to create an excellent positive feeling. Like, helping people brings you joy. Giving you happiness and deep satisfaction. Like, talking to your family or true friends. Taking one step towards your goal. Like, learning a new skill or creating a new video. If any work or opportunity is not helping you in any of these 3 things, and is only eating up your time, remove it immediately. This is called closing the action gap. Strategic use of the law of attraction. As a content creator, you cannot avoid inspired action. But you must use it not as a consumer, but as a creator. Limit consumption. When you get an idea, work on it immediately. Don't put it off. Deal with the schedule. Remove all negative apps from your phone. Keep them only for your positive time. Ask yourself, is this work adding an essential, lasting value to my life, my goal, or my mental health? If the answer is no, say goodbye to it. We have looked at the 3 most important rules of the secret: choosing absolute clarity, accepting doubt, and taking inspired action. Now let's move toward the final rule, which will pull you out of the swamp of low vibration and skyrocket your productivity. Rule 4. Tipping point, draining the resistance. To make the secret successful, you need to reduce or eliminate resistance, meaning low-frequency work. Resistance means thoughts that can be easily copied and that demand low focus, such as remembering old failures, comparing yourself to others, or petty arguments. These thoughts give you the illusion of being busy, but they create no real value. Byrne calls this vibration theater, where you just look like you are manifesting, but are actually making no progress. The danger of resistance, the biggest danger of resistance is that it depletes the energy and willpower needed for deep attraction. If your day is filled with low vibration, you won't be able to be positive even when sitting in your manifestation slot. Therefore, you must deliberately remove resistance from your day. Strategies to overcome resistance. Time block everything. People who practice deep attraction do not just time block deep work, they time block the whole day. As soon as you wake up, you should know what you will do from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. when you will have lunch, and that you will do gratitude practice from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Stop procrastination. You need to track how much time you are spending in resistance. Set a timer for 1 hour and see if you are doing deep attraction, like affirmation or scripting, or low vibration, like answering comments or reading unnecessary emails. Keep only about 20% of your work for low vibration. Make low vibration harder. Rhonda says, stop making low vibration attractive. For example, don't keep negative apps or a negative news tab open on your desktop. To check negative news, you should deliberately have to get up from your deep attraction slot and pick up the phone kept in another room. Instead of making work easy, make low vibration hard. Limit relationships. Ask yourself before every conversation, will this conversation positively affect my goal? Collaboration is only necessary when it truly improves the outcome of your deep attraction. Final conclusion, the law of attraction is happiness. So friends, these 4 rules of the secret are simple but difficult to implement. Ask, adopt the deep clarity philosophy and choose a routine. Believe, embrace doubt and train your vibration muscle. Receive, strategically choose inspired action and be only a creator. Tipping point, eliminate resistance and time block your entire day with positive thoughts. The law of attraction is not just about fulfilling wishes. It is about satisfaction. When you are in a higher vibration, you forget the world. It's a kind of workout for your mind, which gives you a deeper meaning and joy in your work. Successful people dedicate time to deep attraction. Unsuccessful people make being busy with low vibration their identity. The secret is not a talent, but a habit, and you can start building this habit today. If you want to be 1% better today and see 10 times more results, watch this video again and book a deep attraction slot today. Maintain your positive habit consistently. If you enjoyed this powerful summary and want to make your life better, be sure to like, share, and subscribe right now for more insightful book summaries, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you next Friday. Thank you.